Hello, I'm Nikhil from Technery.com and today we are reviewing the Rager AirDrums 400. So, do you like music on campsites, traveling, or even at home? Well, then music without speakers is incomplete. You need the right speakers for traveling purpose, which are compact and serve the purpose of enjoying music. Recently, Rager had launched the AirDrums 400. There is more when you use two speakers at a time to enjoy the stereo effect. So we have removed the plastic casing. This is the box. As these are wireless speakers, there are various use cases which we will share them with you. One of the scenarios where we use these portable wireless Bluetooth speakers is with our MacBook Pro laptop as well. We have extensively used these mini Bluetooth speakers and we will be sharing our valuable experience with you. So, these are compactly packed speakers in this box. So, we will do the unboxing. So, in this box, you will get a pair of Rager AirDrums 400. So, as you can see, these are neatly and nicely kept inside this box. So apart from these speakers, you will also get two micro USB charging cables. Also, you will get a user manual and two lanyards. So with lanyards tied up with the speaker, you can easily carry it with you. You can handle it with care. So we'll talk about the design aspect of these speakers. So as you can see, these are the accessories which I just mentioned ago. So these speakers are available in white and black color variants. The one which we have used extensively is the black color variant. It is having a compact design, though you might think that the design looks simple, but yes, the design is simple and cool to use as well. You can use it anywhere, and simple design gadgets are used everywhere without any hesitation. Though it is having premium build quality, you will get the sense of good design as you hold them into your hand. Yes, the speaker is of cube design and can fit inside your pocket too. These are lightweight and has weight of only 56.5 gram. It has size of 48 millimeters in length and breadth and almost same in depth too. There are round edges and it can be stored easily inside your pockets, bags, etc., or just keep on your desk. The brand has used high quality polymers while making this amazing build quality. There is rubber base wherein you will see the two important buttons placed. So we will talk about our user experience. We have extensively used these speakers for a decent amount of time and will share our experience with you. Connecting these speakers with the Bluetooth source is simple. In the beginning, you just have to power on the device and then connect to the Bluetooth source. Best part is that next time the device, when switched on, automatically connects to the recently paired device quickly. You can connect two speakers to a single Bluetooth source to get the stereo effect at the same time. It is using Bluetooth version 5.0. Another interesting feature which we found is that after using both the speakers simultaneously, when you switch off a single speaker, automatically the other speaker also switches off. There is no need to switch off both the speakers. This is a great feature and saves precious time of the user. Now there are two main buttons. So there are two main buttons on the bottom side which are of microphone and power, and we will show you how to switch on or power on this device. For power on or off, long press the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. For play or pause track, click the power button once. For answering or disconnecting ongoing call, click the microphone button once. For redialing the last call number, click the microphone button twice. To charge the device, it will take around 90 minutes and you get an amazing playback time of up to 10 hours. Though you will have to charge these individual speakers separately. If you have a multiple USB adapter, then that will help you to charge them simultaneously using the provided two micro USB charging cables. Please note that you don't get any adapter with this device. The battery is amazing and it is enough for you to enjoy music in outdoors or while traveling or camping. Stay tuned on our Instagram for such updates. To follow us on Instagram, kindly check out Technery.com, that is our Instagram handle, and join our family. These come with 1.5 years of warranty. 1 year warranty is provided by the brand, and you can get additional 6 months of extended warranty by just registering online with the brand. Another quick method is to scan the QR code on the box after scratching the area on the box, and then you can register from there. These speakers are having perfect highs, good bass, and has balanced mids. The volume in these speakers is amazing. You won't expect that kind of high volume from these mini speakers. The best part is to enjoy stereo sound when you buy a pair of these speakers. We have tried out the stereo effect when we kept them equally distanced from the source, which is the smartphone in our living room, and the sound was amazing. Also, I connected it with my Mac and kept the speakers aside to enjoy the web series. It was an amazing experience indeed. So you can basically enjoy these speakers anywhere with you, and as these are portable, so you can enjoy it in your office as well for a presentation maybe, and are really helpful at times. So we have tested it. Enjoy the music from these speakers. So that was the output from the speakers itself. So initially we played the music from one speaker, and then we played the music from both the speakers to enjoy the stereo effect, and the volume goes up because using two speakers will give you amazing volume. And it is having 3 watt mini speakers, so each speaker is having 3 watt, and each speaker is having a huge battery of 520 milliampere hour, which provides 10 hours of playback time. So if you're looking for portable Bluetooth speakers, then grab a pair of these without any further thoughts. It will be a great companion of yours not only while traveling but at home, on laptop, and are very much portable. The sound quality is amazing considering the size of this device, and our overall experience was great. Not to mention that these are available at a steal deal. Purchase them right now. So these are available at a very discounted price. Though the MRP is rupees 2499, you can get an amazing discount if you check out the link in the description below. So thanks for watching this video. Keep visiting our website, which is technery.com. Kindly like this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Also, follow us on Instagram at technery.com to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day ahead.